I am taking the Dublin Express Zone 21 to go to the city center. I will be going to Ashton Quay. Ashton Quay. Yeah. So it's literally a block from the airport. And there's the Radisson. Radisson is right there. And the hotel is to the right. I just walked through one of the tiniest bus hallways. You can tell these people did not have black women with curves and booty in mind when they made this bus. Of Ireland in the rain. So this is going to be interesting. Look at the water behind me. A beautiful panoramic view of the Irish Epic Museum. I am loving Ireland more than I thought I would. I'm loving Dublin more than I thought I would. I want you to note the industrial, right? You can tell that this is a city that gave rise around the Industrial Revolution. Unlike other European cities, it has that steel, coal vibe to it. Another beautiful bridge. Jim Larkin in front of the Expo Museum. McDowell. Father Matthew, the Apostle of Temperance. So much to get in here. I don't even know where to begin. So I think I'm done. I think I'm wrapping up the trip here. I'm gonna walk for a few more minutes, but excursion is officially over and I'm ready to go home. We are walking towards Toy Master.